Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. बेटा only 2 students. Why?
मैम अभी इंग्लिश का क्लास खत्म हो रहा है.
कौन सा?
अभी इंग्लिश का क्लास एंड हुआ.
अभी हुआ.
मैम आपकी वॉइस बहुत धीमी आ रही है. गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning.
मैम योर वॉइस
कब आई होगी बेटा? अब आई?
मैम आपकी स्लो आ रही है. यस मैम कमिंग.
Keep your mic off. Okay. Okay. Okay, so good morning and namaskar everyone. Till other students join, let us revise what we did in the last class. So take it, in last class we started new chapter, that is chapter number 3, operating system. So we know that we need, that is a computer needs operating system for proper working between the hardware and software of the computer, right? So then we have two types of operating systems, multiple operating system and single user operating system. So single user is what? So in single user operating system, only one person at a time can work on that computer, while in multi-user operating system, more than one people, they can work together. So in large organizations like at offices, banks, schools, there we have multiple user operating system. Okay, then we did that when we turn on our computer, the first screen that we see on our monitor is known as desktop. Now desktop has 3 types of icons. Which are they? They are files, folders or any programs. So first of all, let us revise files. That what are files? So whatever input we give to a computer, either in a form of a video, pictures, then any sound, music, then any written documents, any written text, they all are files for a computer. It stores it as a file. Then when we keep all the files together, it is known as folder. जब हम सारे ही फाइल्स को एक साथ रखते हैं, that is a folder. उसे हम folder कहते हैं. And the third type is program. Okay, any program. So a particular type of program helps us to do a particular kind of work, like this touchpin. Touchpin helps me to draw or paint. Okay. Then here I have Firefox, then this Google Chrome. They all are, we can use Firefox and Google Chrome to search anything. Okay kids. So that is what our desktop is. So हमने last class में यहाँ तक का किया था. Okay kids. Now here you can see my icons, that is my 2 folders and one of my program, that is touchpin. They are arranged. They are not arranged properly. वो ठीक से arranged नहीं है. So that is what we are going to do today. Okay. So everyone please open your textbook and in that open page number 22. Everyone, please open page number 22. So that is, so today we will learn how to select or how to deselect any icon, then how to select adjacent icons, non-adjacent icons. Okay, then what is the taskbar? This is what we are going to do today. So first thing that we are going to learn is selecting and deselecting any icon. अगर मुझे कोई भी ये आइकन है, अगर मुझे उन्हें सेलेक्ट करना है, so how to do that? So I have a folder over here, so I will show you. Yes, that is, first of all, keep a mouse pointer on the icon that you want to select, then just press, that is just single click left button. Okay, so it will get selected as you can see. So यहाँ पर वो select हो गया. Now if you want to deselect it, okay, यानी कि हमें अभी उसे select नहीं करना है. We want it as it was. So click anywhere on the screen that is in the blank area, that is single click left button. So it will get deselected. Okay, so this is how we can select and deselect any icon. Now how to select, so that this is just for one icon if you want to select. But now if I want to select adjacent icons means adjacent icons means these are the icons. Adjacent का मतलब होता है एक के बाद एक. Okay, not random, different icons नहीं, जो एक साथ है उन्हें. If we want to select them, then what you have to do is first select any one of the icon. Okay, for example, मुझे यहाँ का ये जो icon है this I want to select. Okay, so first of all I need to select first icon. So that we will do as it is. जैसे हमने single icon में किया था, that single click left button. Then keep your shift key pressed from your keyboard and then just go on clicking the icons that you want to select. Okay, so first of all select that icon, select one icon that जिसके adjacent icons आपको select करने हैं, that select that one icon, then keep pressing the shift button of from your keyboard and फिर mouse pointer से सभी पर आपको single click करना है. So this is how you can select adjacent icons. Okay, now if you want to deselect them, then just again click anywhere on the blank area and then it will get deselected. Yes. That is, it shows that this was the last icon that we selected. Okay. Now, so these were adjacent icons. Now, if I want to select non-adjacent icons. Non-adjacent icons का मतलब होता है कि जो different icons, जैसे कि मैंने ये VLC choose कर लिया, then this, जो एक साथ नहीं है, random, different है. Okay. So that I can do. So कोई भी first click any one, select any one icon, that is single click it. Then now this time instead of shift key we will be pressing control key. So by clicking on control key, keep your control key pressed and then just go on selecting any icon that you want to select, that is clicking that icon. So by this we can select non-adjacent icons. Okay, then again if you want to deselect it, click anywhere. Okay, so this is how. Please keep your mic off.
Ma'am, page number?
Beta, here I have written 22. So this is how we can select an icon, or we can select many icons, that is adjacent icons and non-adjacent icons, that is selecting and deselecting it. Okay. Now arranging icons. See, ये कितना गंदा दिख रहा है ना? It looks very messy. we have that these icons are not arranged properly. It looks messy on our desktop. So how to arrange them? So you can auto arrange them, that is the desktop, it will automatically arrange, or it will arrange all the icons. So for this, first of all, click right button anywhere on the desktop. So then you have to go to view. Here we have first, go to viewer. Okay, now it will be visible. Okay, view. Then in the fourth line we have auto arrange icon. So when I click on auto arrange, it will arrange all the icons automatically. You don't need to arrange them. सारे ही icons को automatically arrange कर देगा. Okay. But after you arrange them, you cannot bring them back. Like I cannot drag it and then bring it back. It will just be, वो वहीं पर रहेगा जहाँ पर वो गया है. See, I can't drag it and bring it back. Yes, यहाँ पर वो move हो सकता है. Here it can move. Yes. Yes. यहाँ से वो बाहर नहीं आएगा. Here within you can arrange, but here it will not come. For that you again need to deselect the auto arrange, and then you will be able to, that is go to view, auto arrange को close करना है, and then now you can bring it. Okay, so this is how we can arrange and disarrange our icons on the desktop. Now next is sorting icons. See, when there are so many icons present on our desktop, so we can sort them, that is we can arrange them. ये auto arrange था, now you can sort them according to your need. किस तरीके से आपको, जैसे कि if you want to keep it by name, date modified, last date आपने कब उसमें changes किए थे, okay, size of that icon. So in that way you can also arrange them. So again, right click, go to sort by. Here we have sort type, sort by. So you want to sort it by name, size, that item कि वो कौन सा है, whether it is a file, it is a folder or icon, what is the type, and date modified. Date modified means the last date when you made changes in that icon. जैसे कि मैंने ये open किया अपना file, so what was the last date when I opened this, okay, or any program. So in that way we can sort our icons. Understood everyone? Do you have any doubts till here?
No.
Okay. Okay, beta. Now, so there is one more thing that you can see on the desktop. Desktop पे हमने already देखा कि that we have icons. In three types of icons we have, that is files, folders, and any program or any software. Then one more thing you can see. Which is that thing that you can see on the desktop, everyone? और क्या दिख रहा है आपको other than icons? Yes, this horizontal bar. This horizontal bar. Okay, so this you can see, right? So this is known as taskbar. This is the horizontal bar that we see on our desktop is called taskbar. Taskbar has three parts. First, that is on the left side, we have start menu. This start menu till here, from here to here, it is start menu. Then second part, that is the middle part, middle section. This is middle section. And last, that is on extreme right, that is the right side of your taskbar, it is notification area. Now let us see use of each part, each section of the taskbar. So here first we have is the start menu. So that is start button, sorry. So when you click on start button, it will open up start menu. It will open up start menu. So in start menu we have all the programs that are saved in our computer. So on the top there are programs which are recently added. Recently मतलब कि जो हमने कुछ ही days के पहले इसमें add किए हो. So here they are. So here you have recently added programs, and then all the programs are arranged alphabetically. You will find them arranged alphabetically. Okay, so here we have programs. Then here I think you will not be able to say this, but in the book it is clearly given in the textbook. That is this. Yes. So here we have power button. So here from here you can restart your computer, you can shut down it, okay, with the power button. Then above power button we have settings. So you can change settings of your computer. Then above that we have pictures. So it will show all the pictures that are saved into your computer. Then documents, all the documents that are saved in your computer, and then above that it is the username. It is the name या desktop saved है. Okay. Now, beta, please keep your mic on. Someone's mic is on. And here we have applications. Okay, so this is our start menu. Now after, okay, so that is about start button. Along with start button, we have see this white rectangle you can see. This is a...
Ma'am, your voice is coming.
Okay, just a minute.
No, ma'am, it is clear. Ma'am, your voice is very clear.
Okay, now, is it proper now?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is clear.
Okay,
Ma'am, your
beta.
voice is not
Okay.
coming. Ma'am, your voice is clear. Ma'am, your
Yes, beta. Okay, I understood. So now stop everyone before I keep this class in lecture mode. I understood that now you are able to hear my voice. Ishika, please mute yourself.
Ma'am, voice is not coming.
बेटा I am not speaking anything. Then how would you able to hear? मैं भी कुछ बोल ही नहीं रही हूँ. खाना कहीं नहीं है. Okay. So, and if you want to search anything, okay, if you want to search anything that is saved into your computer, so that you can do by typing here. So, this is your search box. Then after that we have in middle section will show all the programs or files that are currently running in the background. यानी अगर आपने कोई भी प्रोग्राम, कोई भी फाइल अगर आपने ओपन की है तो फिर उसे आपने मिनिमाइज कर दी, छोटे कर दी, so that Adhiya, please keep your mic off. So that you can see here. Okay. Now, here you will be able to see a small blue line. So that shows that it is currently running in the background. Okay. But it is minimized. Yes, they are minimized.
Ma'am, your video is not coming.
Beta, my video is on. Then leave and again join. If you are not able to see my video, leave and then again join.
Ma'am, your video is not coming. Your video is not coming.
बेटा मैंने वही कहा, leave and then again join. My video is on. मेरा वीडियो ऑन ही है. Leave and then again join.
Ma'am, video is not coming.
बेटा मैंने ये कहा इशिका, leave and then again join. Then you will be able to see my video. It is on only.
मैम, आपका वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा. वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा.
Now,
मैम आपका Ma'am, I do 2 times leave and join, but it is not coming video. Ma'am, your video is not.
now
हाँ मैम अब दिखा।
बेटा मेरा ऑन ही है। मेरा Now I know beta, now you are able to see. Now please don't turn on your mic. Okay? Okay, so that is in the middle section. This is the middle section of our taskbar. So in middle section, I again repeat all the files or the programs that are running in the background that you can see in the middle section. Okay, and this blue line shows that they are currently open but they are minimized. अभी वो short है. Okay. Now there is one more thing that you can do is you can pin any program. अगर आप कोई भी program frequently use करते हैं, if you use them very often, then you can pin them up. How? Go to Start menu. Okay, for example, I want to pin calculator. I use calculator very often. Or calendar, anything. Then click right button and then just drag it. Pin to start. So when you click on pin to start, it will be pinned over here. Pinned over here, that means it will create one shortcut for that. From that you can open it very often. Okay. So that is pin to start. So when you pin to start it, it will come up here. In the start menu itself, it is pinned. Where is it? Yes, it has been pinned. It is not showing due to some reasons, I don't know, but it is pinned only, but it is not showing over here. Yes. Okay, so then again unpin from start, तो वो वहाँ से चला जाएगा. So here it came actually. Yes. So that is how you can pin it. So if you use any program very frequent, then you can pin them to the start menu. So that was about our middle section, and now last part that is present on the extreme left, that is on the left side of our taskbar. It is the notification area. This is notification area. So notification area will show us date, time, the language that our keyboard uses. Ishika, keep your video off. So here you can see date, then time, language, then volume of your computer, that it will show you speaker, and the battery status. That is, अगर आप laptop use कर रहे हैं, then how much battery is present, that you can see. But as it is a computer, so it will show the plugged in, that it is plugged in right now. So these all things you can see in the notification area, and notification area is also known as system tray. Notification area को हम system tray कहते हैं. Kids, are you able to see the notification area? Here we have. This is notification area. Can you see it, beta? Write yes or no in the chat box.
No, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, yes, okay.
No, ma'am.
तो दूसरों ने तो मुझे yes कहा, ध्यानी said yes. Then I think Javier, he is Javier. Is this notification area? ये है notification area. Okay. So notification area, here we have time, date, language, जो हमारा अभी system में है वो. Then speaker, क्या volume कैसा है? Is it full, low? Then the battery status. These all things we can see in the notification area. Now see, in notification area at the extreme left, we have this, you can say one vertical line, one standing line आप देख रहे हैं. Okay, I will show you in the textbook क्योंकि उसमें शायद आपको ना दिखे. Here we have, see, ये रेड कलर के बॉक्स में है. That is called pick button. That is called pick button. Pick button का meaning क्या होता है? See, if more than one programs are opened at a time. Okay. Yes. See, if I have opened more than 2 programs at a time or files at a time, see here. Okay. So by pressing on pick button, my all programs will automatically get minimized by clicking on pick button. Why it is? See, this is notification. If we get any notification like system update or anything that we get in a notification area, and by clicking on pick button, my all programs files will get minimized at a time. Okay. So that is our pick button and notification area. So we did, so in desktop we did how to arrange icons, how to select them, deselect them, then our taskbar. Now you can also move this taskbar. You can also move this taskbar. That is कि आप यहाँ पर, that on that side you can move your taskbar. So we can move our taskbar by, see, first of all what you have to do is long press the left button of your mouse that is in the blank area of the taskbar. आपके taskbar के blank area में, see this is blank area of my taskbar. So I need to keep my mouse pointer there, then long press the left button and then just move it. So from here it moves to that side. Yes, you can move. But yes, what? बेटा दूसरे तो नहीं कह रहे मुझे. Okay, if you can hear my voice properly, then write yes or no in the chat box. Yes, everyone. Okay, Dhyani. Only अभी सिर्फ ध्यानी ही पढ़ रही है. What about others? दूसरे नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं. सिर्फ ध्यानी ने मुझे yes और no कहा. What about others?
मैम you are, मैम आपकी वॉइस भी क्लियर है और आपकी स्क्रीन भी क्लियर है.
Okay, thank you so much, beta. So that is how we can move our taskbar. Yes, okay. Now if I want to bring my taskbar back, so again we have to follow same thing, that long press your left button anywhere and then just bring your taskbar wherever you want to and it will come back. Okay. Now but no, because it remains on the desktop only. How can you put it there? No, it will not go there. It will just move on your desktop only. Then now see kids, if you don't want someone to move your taskbar, आप नहीं चाहते कि कोई आपका taskbar move करे. So for that, what you have to do is you have to lock the taskbar. So if you want to lock the taskbar, then again that is you have to keep your mouse pointer in the blank area of the taskbar. Then single click right button and here it is lock the taskbar. So when you click on, yes, so it will lock your taskbar. So when you lock your taskbar, now anymore you cannot move it. See, I want to move it, but I can't because it is locked right now. Then again you can unlock it in the same way. From here you deselect it, and now see, I will be able to move it. Okay, so this is how. From that side, yes. Okay, kids. Yes. Okay, so this is about moving and locking the taskbar. Do any one of you any doubt in start button, start menu? That is start menu that was opened, then middle section, notification area, how to move our taskbar, how to lock it, unlock it. Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay. Okay, so let's do one thing. We still have some time. So let us start exercise. Okay, जितना हमने portion अभी किया है उतनी exercise हम start कर देते हैं. That we will be able to do. So see kids, what we did today is this portion, that is selecting, deselecting. Okay, then taskbar, then start button, in that start menu, middle section, notification area. Okay, then moving the taskbar and locking the taskbar. So these all things we did today. Now see kids, workout is your today's homework. Workout question number 2 is your today's homework. Page number 26. It is given on page number 26 kids. Page number 26. Yes. Page number 26, workout is your today's homework. That is question number 2. Okay. Now everyone please open page number 30. 3030. Page number 30 everyone.
मैम हमें क्वेश्चन आंसर करने हैं.
बेटा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं, we will be starting with exercise A. एक्सरसाइज A से स्टार्ट करेंगे. See, from workout, that is page number 26, changing the desktop background, and that is remaining. That we will do in next class. Okay. So write T for true and F for false. You can give answer in the chat box, that is T or F in the chat box. Okay kids. So the first sentence is, an operating system is a part of a computer's hardware. Operating system is a part of computer's hardware. Yes. It is false. Operating system is a system software, not hardware. So it will be false. So you have to write F. Okay, so you have to write F. Now second, a folder can contain both files and other folders. True. Yes. Very good, Samad. Then next another yes, folder. Then a folder in a folder is called what? Subfolder. It is called subfolder. Folder within a folder is called subfolder. So it is true. Yes. So it is true. So a folder within a folder is called subfolder. So folder can have both. A folder that is another folder and files both. Third, the position of the taskbar is fixed at the bottom of the screen. This we did right now. अभी हमने देखा कि हम मूव कर सकते हैं टास्क बार को, उसकी प्लेस फिक्स नहीं होती है, तो इट इज फॉल्स. ओके, नाउ fourth, the icon of an open file, folder or program appears in the notification area of the taskbar. अगर कोई भी आइकन है, ओपन है, आइकन ऑफ एनी फाइल, सॉरी, अगर कोई फाइल, फोल्डर या तो फिर कोई प्रोग्राम ओपन है तो उसका आइकन हमें नोटिफिकेशन एरिया में दिखेगा. दैट इज no, sorry, not notification area, it is in the middle section. Sorry. For notification area, yes, it is false. We get notifications, and in notification area we can see date, time, volume, language of our keyboard. Okay, so that is false. Okay, so now we will do till 4 only because of the shutdown and that we have not done. 6 also. Okay. So 5th and 6th हम अभी नहीं करेंगे. Okay everyone? Yes, we will not do at this point of time. Okay kids, so this is all about today. So today we did selecting and deselecting items, taskbar, explaining about taskbar, okay, and okay beta. 5th and 6th is remaining, जो हम next class में करेंगे after I complete explanation of the remaining part of the chapter. Yes, Yani, beta, do you have any doubt? You wrote ma'am in the chat box. Okay, done.
Ma'am, I don't have doubt. I can leave. Please
wait. I will take your attendance, everyone. Just wait for some time. Everyone, be ready for your attendance. And as I say your name, you have to say yes, ma'am, or present, ma'am. No one will write in the chat box. मैं चैट बॉक्स के सामने देख ही नहीं रही हूँ. आई एम नियर टू द टेबल. ओके, so don't write anything in the chat box. Okay. Nakshagara. Nakshagara. Ayan Chandani. Rishvi Barasra. Okay, thank you so much, Rishvi. Arni Bawarwa.
Arni Bawarwa is present, ma'am.
Okay. Dhyay Bhalodia. जिसकी attendance हो गई है, they can leave. Okay? After giving your attendance, you can leave. Dhyay Bhalodia. Pan Horania.
Present, ma'am.
Atharva Chauhan. Okay. Atharva Chauhan. Adya Dalsania.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Priya Detroja. Pallavi Giri.
Present, ma'am. Pallavi Giri.
Okay. Havya Joshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dhyani Karya.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Dhyani Karya.
Okay, beta. Vini Karya.
Vini Karya is present, ma'am.
Okay. Ansh Kotia. मन कोठिया, समर्थ मेहता, अच्युत बावरिया, बाय बेटा, प्रिंसी पटेल, कियोना पटेल, मनवीर सिंह राणा,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
ओके, इशिका सेरसिया, अमृता शुक्ला, भाविका सिन्हा, रेशमा, ओके,
इशिका सेरसिया प्रेजेंट मैम।
ओके इशिका, देन जैनम ठक्कर,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
ओके, ध्येय थोरिया,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
ओके, and Mahil Gajjar.
Mahil Gajjar is present, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.